Holy shit, look at the faucet.
I would be able He's lucky he didn't get called for him.
Go Noah! Go Noah! Get in there, Griff! Oh no! Oh. He's such a good dude. Up the line! Man down! Man up!
Man hurt.
Yeah, he should have called that whistle right back up.
Aiden, you okay?
Aiden!
You okay?
You heard that one echo.
I heard it.
Sounded like it hurt.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Put him back.
Nice, Robert. Get it, Greg.
Careful. Go, Robert.
Good job, Robert. You just backed up. Go, Micah!
Don't bunch up. Yeah.
Yeah, speak up. Where is he? With her dad's family.
Oh, okay.
He's in Allegheny.
Oh, I'm sure she's loving it.
Yes, he's probably spoiled. Can't wait.
Oh, one of those.
Yeah. They never tell her no. Ever. So angry.
Get in there.
Robert!
Oh!
Again, Greg! Come on! What are you doing this for?
Hurry up, Tim.
Go, Tim. Oh, ooh.
Ow.
Nice, Rob!
Tim, easy.
Oh.
Oh!
Nice try. Yep, that's all right. Get him ready for the
Nice, Aiden.
Nice, Nolan. Don't answer it if it's her. There's 1 month I got all It's undercover.
Yes, they're all on.
I know, but why maybe when they show the car, does it show like
No, they just go here you go.
oh, they come to screw with you. Let's send the guy up next Thursday. Just screw
Do it.
Well, he's got to make sure he's got a bar street turn.
I'll leave his pistol home. I'll give him a green card. You know,
Got
Zach,
a 17, got a
duct
work
tape
for
it to
work.
his chin.
They didn't go
I'll
in.
do that.
They're cheering. They didn't go in. I don't think so. I think the one on the other side. No, I thought that was Oh, Irving. Oh, we don't ask for so many that shouldn't have been called and then they should have. So if I came in with you, thank you.
Not when you're drunk. I mean, like, man, I can't say
That I don't because I used to work at Wilson Farms. They used to get hits. And they would argue.
I've had that.
I had to call the cops because I had a guy
Nice,
threatening me.
Matt. I had that, you know. I had that actually a couple weeks ago. Walked down my aisle, bounced off my shelf.
Oh.
Ouch.
Come on, Thomas. Bless you. Tissue? Huh? Do you need a tissue?
Wow, nice left.
Just so you know, his half is not in our book.
Oh, is it? Oh, he didn't eat it?
I don't know.
Half the half.
Oh, he did take a couple bites? Okay.
You know how they
He'll be
put-
hungry.
Yeah, they put half in there.
Those special K,
Yeah.
the special K protein bars, were those his?
Yeah.
Okay, because those are in the back of Mom's car.
Okay.
Okay, so,
We all just go grocery shopping in the back of Barb's car.
Right, there you
We
go.
all went in a bag and in the car.
yep, I just threw everything in a garbage bag. I mean, a clean garbage bag. obviously. All the chips and everything, and put those protein bars are in a separate
Okay.
handbag. I kind of figured those were his. I already went home and read them there.
Yeah. Oh, whatever. So, there's a lot of food left, or?
There's a lot of chips left.
A lot of chips. Yeah. Yeah, we brought a couple bags of chips too, so. That's, yeah, I should have known better. Were they eating fruit at least?
Yes, yes, yes. The fruit, everyone was eating it. There's still apples and oranges and
That's good.
figure make it for tomorrow. You know,
Just bring some of that.
yeah, I'll just bring it all back and they can lunch or whatever.
Sure. Yep.
Make sure they probably like
Why? Does everyone have a mic here? All the boys? See, I call him Michael.
I never say Mike.
When people say Mike, it's like weird to me. 'Cause that's my husband.
Oh.
I know, like all his friends.
Come on, Colin.
You hear what I said?
Get some offense.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you went-
I was quite impressed. Actually. That's something I would say. They're gonna like it.
Come on, Matthew.
Get it, Staba! Don't be defending your kid. He did it. Nice try, though, Mom. I'll give you a name for effort.
Push up, Colin. Matthew, push up. Matthew.
Spread out, guys.
You guys gotta talk.
Nice, Aaron. Your voice came? Oh, yeah, he gave that look like that. What I get?
Stop standing.
Take it up, buddy. Take it up, buddy. Go, Caleb. Come on. Go. Todd's not even a.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Todd got in so much trouble. Uh-oh. Look at Mike. Mike's just looking at his clipboard. Take a picture of that. Scott's staring at the garbage
No, that's
can.
okay.
Wow, look at this black garbage can. That's so great. Now he's gone. Now he's gone off the field. He's peacing out. Go threaten him with a good time. He's been there plenty of times.
Yeah, exactly. Like if they just put if they only know he was a part
He'd probably be my first customer.
I don't drink beer, but
Well, you know, I'll have shots on the other side.
it's gonna be I'll take some like cards or something. I'll do
Beer, Mike's, and
fireball.
why did he even run his mouth?
I'll just put my mouth under.
He's not even a coach.
I think I still have some fireball at home. You know, it's a funny thing. You know, like back in the day, like if you had a cough or something, or you had a chest congestion going on, they said drink some whiskey. Yeah. But it helped.
He's helping with two things.
There you go. I was like, sweet. Couple swags.
Yeah.
It helped me.
Shots in the morning before work.
Yeah. I did it.
Come on, Mike.
Still, they're pushing. Right. Someone's gonna well,
Good job, Noah.
way to go, Nolan.
Picking on somebody about their laugh. Dude, what would you do? Oh,